Hi everyone, this is part 3 of topic 8. Now let's discuss when theta is between 270 to 360 degree. So if you have watched my previous video, you will not need my help, but you can cross check the answers for this one also. So try them by yourself and then see if you can do it in the right way. So if cos theta is equal 5 over 13, then find sine theta. So to find the sine theta, what I will do, I will use the trigonometric identity 1 minus cos square theta, and that is square root 1 minus 5 over 13 square, right? Let's use the calculator. So square root 1 minus, that is positive 5, right? 5 over 13. Let me use the brackets so no confusion we have. Okay, and this is power 2. Good, so our answer is 12 over 3. So sine theta is 12 over 13. Did I say 3? It's 12 over 13. Okay, and if you know one more thing, I will come back to that. Now, if you know the triangle, right? Right angle triangle. If you try with that method, so 13 is your hypotenuse, and let's say this is your 5 and this is your 12. Now, what mistake you will do in this case? You will get sine theta is equal 12 over 3, and that's our answer, and that's where you will do mistake. Okay, that's where you will get it wrong. But if you understand which quadrant it is, this is your quadrant number 4. And in the quadrant number 4, only cos and secant are positive. Only cos and secant are positive. So even if you are doing with the triangle method, you will get sine theta is equal 12 over 3. But you know that in quadrant 4, this is negative. So just put a negative sign ahead of it. And that's your answer. If not, then also you solve the square root, and I've told you in the previous video, when you solve the square root you get plus minus 12 over 3. Will I take the positive answer? No. Will I take the positive answer? The answer is no. Why? Because sine is negative in quadrant 4. Sine is negative in quadrant 4. So when you see the option A, 12 over 3, and you select this, you will get 0 marks. And you will say, why I got 0 marks? Because this is quadrant 4. So you will have to take care of quadrant. I've been telling this multiple times in previous videos also. So follow that, okay? Now let's quickly solve remaining question. Tan theta is equal -1. Find secant theta. Can you tell me the answer, what will be my answer? Will my answer be positive or negative? The answer will be positive. I can tell you 100%. So if you have options A, let's say negative, option C negative, you can just remove these two options. Now you see only B and D, because look at only the positive option, because this is quadrant 4 and quadrant 4 secant is positive. So that's how you can work on it. Okay. Now let's start. So secant square theta, the trigonometric identity says it is tan square theta plus 1, and secant theta is square root tan square theta plus 1. I'm writing this again and again because you can remember this, okay? Or else I can just directly write secant theta is equal to square root tan square theta plus 1, okay? So once you remember all of them, this will become so easy for you. So yep, now what is it? This is square root 2 plus minus square root 2. I'm forgetting this again and again. Okay, so secant theta is plus square root 2. Will I take the negative answer? No, because it is positive in quadrant 4. Next question. If secant theta is given as 5 over 3, find cos theta. Okay, so what will I do in this case? Do I have any relation between secant and cos? Oh, this is, yeah, I have just very simple relation that cosecant theta is what? Opposite of secant theta. That's what it is. So my answer will be 3 over 5. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So secant theta is 5 over 3. Cosecant theta is opposite of secant theta. You don't have to solve anything in this one. Next, question number 20. Cosecant theta is negative 5 over 3. Find cos theta. Okay, so what do I have to do in this one? I can find sine first because cosecant is given, or else I can find cot. Okay, so in this one we will need multiple step little bit. Okay, so let's do one thing. Secant theta. Oh, sorry, not secant. I will find sine first. So sine will be opposite of cosecant, right? And that will give you negative 3 over 5. I hope you have no problem in this one. Sine theta is opposite of this, negative 3 over 5. Good. Now cos theta, I have told you multiple times, square root 1 minus sine square theta, right? Using the trigonometric identity, square root 1 minus negative 3 over 5 square. Solve this using the calculator. So let's just use the calculator. I'm not good with this kind of calculator, because I'll have to do this slowly and slowly. Negative 3 over 5 square. Everything right? Yeah, that's it. Let's press equal. That is giving us 4 over 5. Let me just cross check if I wrote everything right. Okay, yes. So 4 over 5 is your answer. So this will give us plus minus 4 over 5. And this is quadrant 4 as I've said. So cos theta will be plus 4 over 5 as your answer, because quadrant 4 cos is positive. So that's how you will do it. And that's it for the point 8. This is in point 1, 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3. Watch all of those videos from question 9 to 20. That's it for these videos, and I am sure that will help you to understand.